Cooks, hi Tigers. So we arrived to Lombok and we're going to what place? It says we need to drive for 2 hours. Not fair. Okay, we got lost because not all Lombok local know the way. So let's see if we can find it, or we just will be driving forever.
Your knees in it. I got leg room. I could probably fit your knees in it. What y'all know about that?
This is how we're looking for accommodation. We just arrived to the bar and then we asked the local guys to go and check if there are 2 rooms, and now we're waiting here. Try again. Just filming for my vlog. So they are telling me about the secret spots, but you can only go there with the Lombok local. Someone got so drunk, so they lost the keys. Like, why? How can you lose the keys? Hi Cooks, hi Tigers. So we're in the room where we're staying. I will do a proper room tour tomorrow when it's not so dark. But yay, we're in Lombok. We're gonna surf tomorrow on a secret spot only shared by locals with us. I really love this power plug. Just like there, like you can't even like reach it. Why would you ever put it there?
This ain't new to you. I treat it like it's usual. We legendary. I just get it how I live.
We were supposed to go like 20 minutes ago. Where did you get the coffee?
Fresh up out the mud like a mineral. Riding with them soldiers, they
The
salute.
pool is nice and clean, and overall it looks kind of tropical.
No exaggeration, all my literature be literal.
Что, the toilet paper or not? Возьми нам тоже.
Police call me radical, your wife think I'm nautical. Ride into that Carter and I get just what I bought her for. Baby say she love
There is some discomfort around living with a local guy, and he needs to use our bathroom. Let's not dig deep into details why. So one thing I'm wondering about is that when I were in the States or in Australia traveling around and you need to like quickly grab some food in like a supermarket, a grocery store, then you can have like a healthier option like fruits cut into pieces or something like that. And here we're forced to eat this like packaged food, like bread with sugar or chocolates or cookies. And if pets are traveling with us like a rat, then they are forced to eat the junk food as well. Why do you think in Indonesia we don't have healthy snacks? Please leave your feedback in the comments.
and I'm in it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary.
But one thing that we do have in Indonesia in our supermarkets is a super special magic drink. It says on the can that it helps from digestion problems, from the cold, flu, and basically from anything in the world. This is unpaid ads, but I highly recommend to try it out if you ever turn out to be in Indonesia.
It actually works like a star in our country. You know the star you put like everywhere. You can fix even corona. Even like you have a break in
Звездочка.
just put a star.
Yeah, in Russia we
fix.
have this, but
So
it's a
this one is
cream.
Star.
Yeah, this is Indonesian star. Actually, the star is from Vietnam. It's not Russian. You know, the balm, small one, the red one with the star in it. Please leave your feedback in the comments if you ever used the star. Hi, thank you for pickup.
No worries.
For me, baby, and make sure you put your knees in it.
So we're driving to the secret spot following the guy who will show us around. Originally he's from Sumbawa, so he's technically also not a Lombok local, but let's trust him and give it a try. In the meantime, I was thinking, secret spots, are you actually supposed to keep them in secret so that the lineup is not crowded and you can serve like alone, or you need to actually like let people know about them so you support the local business and get everyone to enjoy the nice spots? What do you think? Please leave your feedback in the comments. I will count the comments, and if there are more comments that secret spots need to be exposed, then I will tell exactly the route to the secret spot and how to find it and how to serve there. If there are comments that they need to be kept in secret, then sorry. What do you think? You need to tell people about them or keep them in secret?
If a secret spot, you need to keep it a secret.
Secret?
Not too much bule coming there, you know?
Secret.
I just get it how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary.
Just look at how beautiful Lombok is. I'm really in love with Indonesian nature. Please leave your feedback in the comment. What is your favorite Indonesian island?
Jangan beda bahaya, kita lewat sana aja. Oh yeah, yeah.
Terlalu bahaya ya.
The road is like a fucked up.
It looks pretty crowded for a secret spot because there are already 3 cars and a couple of bikes, but let's check it out.
Up the mountain there, so we can see all the view and the wave.
Так мы же дальше оставим.
All this out on the streets and I make it look easy. You ain't got no evidence, then you gotta believe me. Girl, I'm just a person, all that perfect for TV.
As always, I have a really good choice of my shoes for climbing the mountains and the rocks.
Treat you like examples of what not to be. Keep it playing, keep it pushing, keep them guessing, keep them looking. Keep my people out the booking, cause we legendary. I just talking how I
Let's check the swell and see if I'm back to Dur atau tidak. Oh, look at these vloggers. Everyone is a vlogger nowadays, yeah? Oh my god.
legendary. I just get it how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary.
There are wild buffaloes here on the mountain. After surf, we will go and chase them.
Tripping, you could thank me later. Sauce and dripping, one finger licking, serving different flavors. See me flicking.
Well, it actually does look a lot like a secret spot because I don't think anyone could ever find this road.
G's in it, full pack of top papers, about to put some peas in it. Twerk it for me, baby, and make
So
sure.
the surf spot is kind of hidden behind a huge hill, and it looks great.
From by the river's edge, thought I told you colder than a winter.
Tired?
Better be when you the proper pedigree. Blowing sweet and sour while I'm chewing on that sesame. No
It's super hot going down, so first thing I want to do is go for a swim.
sesame, so I perfect my recipe. Cocoa butter cutter, got it cracking at the crib. We some ghetto boys, now lacking where I live. I might ride around my side of town, I'm flexing, feeling fancy. Just filled up my stomach, I got extra in the pantry. Getting top and winning, still no, I don't need no plan B. Only give a about my freedom and my family. Keep it playing, keep it pushing, keep them guessing, keep them looking. Keep my people out the booking, cause we legendary. I just talking how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Keep it G and keep it true to you. Just act like this ain't new to you. I treat it like it's usual, we legendary. I just get it how I live it. If I said it, then I
So I almost ended up on these rocks because of the current.
all my fresh up out the mud like a
So we just got out from the secret spot after the surf. It started to rain super heavily. We're really in trouble because the road is so muddy and I'm not sure we can make it up.
bigger than they thought it though. Ain't no flexing with this weapon. You think I bought it for? Police call me radical. Your wifey think I'm nautical.
So when I was trying to go back to the beach, I was already super tired. The current is so strong and I knew I couldn't go to the left because there is no beach already and only rocks. But I just couldn't. So someone put all the water and all the heavy stuff in my bag. The boy said he cannot walk with the board and with the bag at the same time, but for some reason I can do it and just put all the heavy stuff in my bag and never helped me. So I found a shower, but there is no water. And I'm all in sand. And I'm super tired, hungry, and angry, and hangry. And please recommend anger management techniques or courses or therapy because I'm so fucking mad after shit surf and just walking in this terrible mud and the rain, and I didn't have breakfast. I'm really angry. Our stomachs really ache from all the pop me, instant noodle and other packaged food that we eat here. This is unpaid ads. Please follow them on Instagram. From Jakarta?
Yeah.
Kepiting is crab, lobster, udang is what? Shrimp, prawn. So we didn't have dinner yesterday, we didn't have breakfast today, and now it's already lunchtime. So now we need to eat for 3 tons, like 3 meals instead of 1.
Later sauce and dripping, I'm finger licking, serving different flavors. See me flicking while I'm chasing chicken, flying on some acres. Ay, old school weed sending.
Chapcha is very good. That's my favorite Indonesian food after nasi.
Twerk it for me, baby, and make sure you.
So happy to get some food. We ordered like everything. And one thing I wanted to share is how much sugar Indonesians put into literally any drink. So I ordered tea. It's like so sweet. I only drank tea like this when I was like 5. And then it's orange juice, and there is still sugar. You can see it. And I had the coffee because I ordered everything. I'm dying from hunger. So it's just so sweet. I have sugar, like I can feel it with my teeth.
I might ride around my side of town.
They're going for a surf on a boat in Lombok, AREGULING. I am injured and I cannot walk, so I'm gonna miss the surf. But instead, you know what I have instead?
We'll out the book it, cause we legendary. I just talking how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Keep it G and keep it true to you. Just act like this ain't new to you. I treat it like it's usual, we legendary. I just get it how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Look, all my fresh up out the mud like a mineral. Riding with them soldiers, they salute me like a general. Hit the coast of Florida, feeling sorta like a Seminole. No exaggeration, all my literature be literal. Little do they know I do it bigger than they thought it though. Ain't no flexing with this weapon, you think I bought it.
What would you choose? Surf or drink? Please leave your feedback in the comments.
Baby say she love me, don't know why she wanna leave me. All this out on the streets and I make it look easy. You ain't got no.
I hurt my foot really bad when I slipped on the rocks because of the secret spot, and now I'm using this tiger balm that my friend gave to me, and let's see if it will work.
Plotting on this property, I treat you.
We really want to see the sunset, but we got lost in some road because not all people are Lombok locals. Sunset ends in like 5 minutes and we're almost there.
If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Keep it G and keep it true to you. Just act like this ain't new to you. I treat it like it's usual, we legendary. I just get it how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. For the acquisition of some major paper, I'm just dipping, we ain't even tripping. You could thank me later.
Yay, we made it! The sunset was amazing. Hi, we're exploring more of KUTA Lombok, and now we're gonna do some groceries.
Put you in position for the acquisition of some major paper. I'm just dipping, we ain't even tripping. You could thank me later. Sauce and dripping, I'm finger licking, serving different flavors. See me.
I have never seen this drink before, but I really like that it's coffee beer and there is Pablo Escobar. I'm definitely buying it. Do you want to take something for Zombie Killer?
Yeah, let's take some food. I want to take some snacks for him also. Maybe he need toys. Yeah, toys. When he drink too much, I like this one.
Popping like you better be when you the proper pedigree. Blowing sweet and sour while I'm chewing on that sesame. Know that God blessing me so they can't get the best of me. Sometimes he be testing me.
It's 1 p.m. and we got some wine, and the shop assistant just wished us a good night. That will be a fun night, I think. Maaf, gak ada uang tunai. Maaf. So we finished our groceries. We have champagne. We'll make champagne showers in Lombok. Now we're exploring the main street. Super fancy boutiques, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, Fendi. Попробуй, это очень вкусно. Вернись.
Веганство.
Вкусно. This coffee beer drink is just the best drink I ever had. Especially I love that there's Pablo Escobar. Okay, so I read this sticker again and there is no coffee and there is no beer in this drink. So I take my words back because I mean I don't even know what it is. Perempuan atau laki-laki?
Lucky.
So we were passing the rapid test and all the other documents and he asks me, can I tell them that you're my mom? But I'm like, how is it even possible? I'm 31, like I can't be his mom. Что ты делаешь? Что ты делаешь тут?